Just 4 days back, we saw that how Ghulam Rasool Dar and his wife was killed by terrorists in Lal Chowk area and Anantnag. And tonight, terrorists struck up in this Rajouri town. And here, BJP leader Jasbir Singh house was targeted. I am at a place and let me show you here how the impact of the grenade explosion. The grenade was lobbed, it hit here. After that, you can see the flooding splinter. They have almost damaged the whole wall, created a small hole inside the tile. And even the family members, some of them were having a dinner at that point of time and some were about to have dinner. You can see the utensil also completely perforated. Some of the plates completely damaged. 6 people were injured. 2 of them are said to be critical, which includes 5-month-old baby. And 4-year-old boy lost life. We have got the family members. He also got injured. He was there on spot. क्या हुआ था उस वक्त?
हम यहाँ पर 7 बजे कर्फ्यू का ऐलान था कि 7 बजे से लेकर 7 बजे तक कर्फ्यू होगा। हम रजौरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के कानून के अनुसार हम खुद फौजी थे, मेरे 3 बच्चे फौजी थे, रिटायर पेंशनर थे। और
यहाँ उस समय क्या कर रहे थे?
उस समय हम अपने घर से बाहर आकर छोटे बच्चों को रोटी लाने के लिए मैं रोटी खा रहा था और बच्चा मेरे को बाजू में दर्द था, सिर में दर्द था, वो दबा रहा था। मदर उसकी छोटे बच्चे के साथ दादी खेल रही थी। दादी की पीठ पर पूरा ये ग्रेनेड फटने पर बम ब्लास्ट क्या भी हुआ है, ये फटने पर उनके अंदर अभी तक भी वो इंजर्ड के केसेस हैं।
Any terror outfit that has taken responsibility for this attack?
I have actually read it in some media groups that PAFF has claimed the responsibility. It is indeed a terror act. When in the late evening hours, a grenade was launched, which resulted into injuries to few persons of a family, and a child subsequently succumbed to the injuries. All sections of society in Rajouri Poonch have vehemently condemned this act of terror, and the investigations are on, and we are duty bound to take it to the logical conclusion at the earliest.
So, any idea where from they came, the terrorists who had lobbed the grenade? Is he a part of any particular module or he is an overground worker? What do you think right now?
Investigation has started. It is in the initial stage. We are working on all leads. As and when we take this investigation to the logical conclusion, we shall share it.
You think that they are trying to create a communal divide? They are trying to just widen those fault lines?
Whatever the challenge is posed, we, along with the people of this area, are ready to face it and thwart any design of the enemy.